May learns to introduce herself in English. Learn English through stories with English Made Easy. May took a deep breath as she stood at the front of her English class in New York. She just arrived from China a month ago, and though she was excited to be here, speaking in front of people in English still made her nervous. Hello, everyone. My name is May, and I am 24 years old. I'm from China, and I moved to New York just a few weeks ago. It's my first time living in another country, and I am really excited to be here. She looked around the room, catching a few friendly smiles, which gave her a bit more courage. I am a software engineer, which means I write computer programs and I work with technology. I love my job because I enjoy solving problems and creating new things with code. But outside of work, I also have a few hobbies that keep me busy. She paused, thinking about her favorite pastimes. One of my hobbies is tennis. I have been playing tennis since I was 12 years old, and it's something I really enjoy. It keeps me active and helps me meet new people. I am hoping to find a tennis club here in New York soon. Then, with a grin, she shared her other passion. I love to paint. Painting is something I do to relax, and it helps me express my feelings and ideas. I mostly paint landscapes and sometimes portraits. When I miss home, I paint pictures of the places I used to visit in China. May's eyes lit up as she mentioned another favorite. And I love food. My favorite food is pasta. I know pasta isn't from China, but I tried it for the first time in college, and I loved it. May felt her nervousness ease as she continued. I have two younger sisters, and we're very close. They are still in China, but we talk almost every day. They're excited for me, but they miss me too. Thank you for listening. I look forward to getting to know all of you. The class applauded and May took her seat, feeling a little braver than before. She knew that, with time and practice, her English would only get better, and her life in New York would become even more exciting. The end.